Rural country setting on 1.82 acres and no HOA. Heavily wooded lot, except a roundhouse, can cut your own wood for the wood stove plus a wood shed to store it in. A drilled well so no monthly water or sewer bill. Split bedroom floor plan, features 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Very spacious master bedroom. Cute kitchen with an island/breakfast bar. New refrigerator, self-cleaning oven and counter microwave conveys. The water heater only 3 years old, some new lighting and plumbing fixtures too. Other replacements over the years like windows 6 years ago, but home was purchased as is and selling as is. Washer and dryer convey. Several storage buildings/man cave, nice flowering shrubs, bushes and plenty of flowers offer color beauty to enjoy in your yard. Small fenced area for a little